Hi everyone, welcome back to Colony tutorial. I'm Imran and today we are going to learn something very special. In last two lectures we learned about touch command and cat command that we're using for creating file. But what we really use for creating file is another command. It's by the name of Nano command. Okay? And today what we want to learn is Nano command. What really the Nano command use? The Nano command used to create for us file in different formats. Okay, any format that we like. If it be text file, if it be in Python file, if it be code. But remember, it is so interesting, and we use it for analyzing and seeing what are inside a code. Okay, it's a special text editor that we use it inside the terminal. Okay, not in GUI or graphical user interface. What we use in terminal, we use this Nano. Okay, for creating file and modifying what are inside a file. Okay, let's start. I will open from this side the desktop to show for us a little comprehensively. Okay, CD, I will change my current directory to desktop. For now I'm in desktop. You can see the location. Okay, I will clear that terminal to show for you all this. Okay, I'm coming first Nano. Okay, I'm creating a file by the name of test. Okay, test1.txt. I want to create this file by the text format. Okay, for now I'm in desktop. Hit enter button. What happened? Okay, remember brothers, in cat command, whenever we want it to create a command, okay, it will directly create it here. Okay, but remember, in whenever we using Nano, it is not created the file until we save it. Okay, but here are many difference for saving. First I will write something. This is a new file, a new text file. Okay, it's only for test, for example. Okay, but here we have some things. For example, whenever we want to save it, like in operating system, like Windows, or even in colonies, for saving you have method control plus S. But remember, inside Nano it is not the same like we have in other operating system. If you want to save it, we should press Ctrl plus O. Okay, for saving we use Ctrl plus O. If you want to cancel, we should press Ctrl plus C. Okay, if I want to back from this terminal, okay, remember if you remember the last video, we talk about cat command. And the cat command was when we wanted to back from the cat command, was pressing Ctrl plus T to back. Okay, but here it is not the same like cat command. If you want to back, you want to press Ctrl plus X. Okay, first I will save it. I will save this file here. Okay, press Ctrl plus O. Ctrl plus O. I will come here back. Okay, Ctrl plus O. Oh, here. It asked me file name to write. Yeah, do you want to buy this thing? I say yeah. Okay, please hit enter button to see what happened. See, this file have been created. I will open this file to show you. I will zoom it a little. Okay, now you can see this file is a new test file. Okay, this file have been created, but if I want to back from this workspace, okay, from the Nano work page, how I can back? Press Ctrl plus X. Okay, for now I'm back in Nano. Then this command, okay, it's work the same. Whenever you want to read a file, okay, just type Nano. Come here Nano and just type the name of the file that you want to read. Okay, now you can read. Okay, there are many shortcuts that we had, like for cat command we had some option of flags, but with Nano command it's not the flags. Okay, we have some shortcuts that we are using. For example, in Windows operating system or Linux, we use Ctrl X for catting. Okay, but it's not the same here. See brothers, if you want to cat a line, okay, it's not catting for example this. Okay, I will cancel it. I will create a new file by the name of nano test2, okay, dot txt file. This is a new file, okay, by the name of test2 txt, okay. Brothers, we can do mini operation here. For example, if I want to save it, I told you that we save by this. If we want to read a file, okay, how can we read it? Okay, for example, I want to read this file here, okay. What should I do? Just press Ctrl plus R to see. Ctrl plus R, just here insert the file name by the extension. Yeah, I want to read this file here in this section, in this work page, text1.txt, okay. Hit enter button. See, brother, it showed me the content of this file here in this section. For further exploration, you can see here. I will show you this two others too, okay. I will clear it. What the cat command here do here, okay, it will cat all this for me, all the line for me. In Control V is in operating system like Windows, we use Control V for paste, but here in Nano we use Control U for pasting, okay. I will press Control plus A. This line have been carried, okay. If I want to pass it, Control plus U, okay. This line have been passed back, okay. Remember what justify used. Justify used to make the line, for example, full the line and come down the line, okay. You can press Control J. I will first clear it. For your comprehension, I will make another file a little, not another file. Inside this file I will write something. For example, I'm writing 1 2 3 4 and I'm down, for example 6 7 8 9, okay. What this can justify do? The justify will move this file into a buffer, okay. Press Ctrl plus J. See, the line have been above. For further exploration, okay, you can come here and you can press Ctrl plus G to show us what are inside the nano command and what every command do. Here are the shortcut. Ctrl G for displaying here, Control X for catting, Control O, okay, for saving or writing, write out, okay. I will back, okay. Control plus C or Control plus G, you will back from the help command, okay. And Control plus O for saving. Yeah, by this time it is right. This two files have been created, okay. I will back from the Nano work page. Now I want to create a file in different format. For example, I told you we use Nano whenever we want to analyze a file. For example, if it been a C++ file, Java file, or Python file. In advanced lesson, we will learn about Python file, that we were writing scripts, okay, and we will use that scripts inside Kali Linux. Usually we use Nano command to write a script, okay. I'm coming to the point, but not now. When we receive, once we will learn about it. For now, Nano, I will type test3, but this file should be in Python, okay, or C++ format, okay. C include iostream using namespace std mine. It is only an skeleton of C++ file. We will learn. If you don't know about it, so maybe we create in the time about a new course about this C++, only for basic, for those who don't know about this, okay. But it's not really important for us for now. We will learn only one programming language, because this course is specially designed for cyber security and ethical hacking, okay. We will cover all the things which are needed, okay. This is only a simple file, okay. See, brother, so whenever we want to import a file, okay, it will show us in this graphical mode. see it in background color, blue color, in other colors. You can see it will show us in a special mode, and we will use from it. And see here, it will show us if you want to create a file in Python for me, you can do it's by your want. Okay, it is not the limit for us. For example, Python, when you want to Java, anything that you like. Okay, so hit enter button. I'm creating just for printing. Okay, this is Python. Yeah, Python file. Okay, just for example, I will cancel. I don't want to save it. Okay, if you want to save, control plus C and control plus O. For example, if I want to save it, okay, it have been saved for me. And in this lesson we learn about these things, okay, about Nano. That is a special text editor that we will use it. If you watch this video and if you like this video, please like, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friend. Thanks for your watching. Thanks.